We'll guide you through how to add video reference in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to import and control video references for modeling, animation, or tracking, but are unsure how to do it. Beginners especially need clear guidance. It helps them understand video settings, improve workflow, and use references accurately to create better and more precise 3D projects. First, open Blender on your desktop to begin the process. Once it is open, delete everything in the scene by pressing A to select all objects, then press X to delete them. This will give you a clean workspace to start with. Next, press Shift and A on your keyboard to add a new element into the scene. From the menu that appears, look down for the image option and select it. After clicking on it, choose the reference option to prepare for adding your media. Once that is done, you can select the video file from your computer by browsing through your files. Make sure the video is in MP4 or MKV format, so it will work properly. Alternatively, you can simply drag the video directly from your File Explorer into the workspace, which can be a faster method. After importing the video, go to the right side menu and find the Data section. Press on it to open the settings related to the video. From here, you can set the size of the video display and adjust the offset to control its position. You can also set the side options depending on how you want the video to appear in the scene. Then, look at the bottom section where you can set the frames, which determines how many frames the video will play before it stops. The Start option allows you to choose at which frame the video begins playing. The Offset section lets you control which part of the video is shown in the timeline. Adjust these settings carefully to match your needs. After setting everything, review the video by pressing Shift and the spacebar together to play it. This will help you check if everything is working correctly. If something does not look right, you can go back and adjust the settings. Practicing these steps will help you become more familiar with adding and controlling video references in Blender for your projects.